Hello, artist pals. Maddie Frost here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw 3 cats from my new step-by-step drawing book called Let's Draw Fun Animals in 7 Simple Steps. Yay! I don't have cat ears, so the best I could do was this unicorn headband. But if you hide the horn, it becomes cat ears. But anyway, so we're gonna draw, let's see. So if you do have the book, or if you wanna get the book, this is page 16, and I picked out the first 3 cats on the Just Cats page because cats are amazing. So I'm gonna show you how to draw Cranky Cat, Box Cat, and Sleepy Cat. Shh, don't wake the sleepy cat. So grab some paper and something to draw with and meet me right back here and let's draw Just Cats. Let's go. Okay, our first cat is going to be Cranky Cat. So let's start with a large gumdrop shape. Next, I'm gonna put in his cranky eyes. So it's a flat line up top. It's his eyebrow line, and then we'll do like a little lemon wedge, if you will, for 2 eyes, and then the little pupils there. So already he looks really cranky. I'm going to do a V for the nose, and then I'm going to bring a little line down here like this, and a flat mouth. Just so cranky. Awesome. I'm going to add some ears and a couple whiskers. Cool. Some paws. So you can do the paws one of 2 ways. I'm just going to show you a super simple way, which is just to go down like that, 2 paws in front. You could go down and make little individual toes. Sometimes that's cute. And so his legs are sort of like tucked a little behind his body. So you can do them like that. You could even do little toe lines. Cute. And then the last thing is just his cranky cat tail. And you can just sort of, you can go have the tail on this side or this side and just put it in like that. And anything else you'd like to add to make this cat your own, go for it. I'm gonna make him like a party pooper cat. So I'm just gonna give him a party hat. It's just like maybe he doesn't like parties, or I don't know, but he's cranky. Another funny thing you could do if you wanted to make this cat, give this cat some sunglasses, you could even just color this in. I'm always seeing ways to sort of like make drawings, you know, fun and different. Now he's like a cool cat. Anyway, whatever you want to add is awesome and great job. I hope you're not cranky after drawing that. Okay, on to the box cat. Okay, so box cat starts with a square. We sort of create the box and the cat at the same time. So a square, and then we're gonna do, so this is a little bit 3-dimensional. So we're going to add the side of the box, so a line going to the corner, right corner of your paper, and then the same line on the bottom, that same direction, and then a line down. So now we have the side of the box. Okay, next you're gonna put part of the cat in, so a Little gumdrop shape there. 2 eyes. Boop. I'm gonna do the letter T for this nose. We did a letter V for the Cranky Cat. Then I'm going to add some ears and some whiskers. And then I'm going to add the paws hanging over the side of the box. So just super easy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it looks like his paws are over the side there. Great. Now we're going to add a tail. So the tail can kind of come to the side of him and over like this. And then we just need to complete the box. So you're going to draw from the left corner of the box a line to the cat right there. And then the best you can, a line coming from this right over here, like that. And that is your cat in a box. Let's see, what could we add to the cat? Maybe we can add a smile. Why not? He's happy in there. We could, maybe the cat is in a box because someone is moving. So we could say toys, like make a toy sign. Someone has packed some toys and written on it for the move. And let's see, I think I kind of want to add maybe some little fur lines to the tail. It's kind of fun. And his body. Aww. Cool. Cat in a box. Great job. The last one is a sleepy cat. Shh. So we're gonna start with the head first. Just an oval shape. Next, we're going to build the body. So from the top of the head in the middle, you just go out like that, and then back in. Okay. Some ears. Sleepy eyes. Let's see, so we've done a letter V nose, a T nose. I'm just gonna do maybe a little, well, not a little heart nose. That would be cute. Go down like that. And a smile. Some whiskers. And we can do a leg. So to draw the leg, I'm just gonna keep it inside this shape here. So I'm gonna draw backwards letter C kind of, and then bring it back down like this. And you can even add little toe marks. Next is the cat's little hands. And so when they kind of lay like this, they tuck their paws sort of underneath their head. So super simple, kind of like on the box cat, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Aww. And the last thing is the tail. I'm gonna curve the tail in so it's coming towards the cat. So we're gonna go like this. Boop. And what is a sleeping cat without some Z's? Z, Z, Z. Oh, so sleepy. If you wanted to put this cat on like a little pillow, I can show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. Just sort of maybe start back here on the cat's butt. I said cat butt. And you can kind of just, might want to run into the whiskers, but you can kind of go like that. And then maybe there's a little bottom part to kind of make it a little more dimensional. Yeah, some little cozy texture marks on his little cat bed. And then maybe the cat's name is on the cat bed. So I'm gonna call this cat Sprinkles. I don't know why. I think I'm thinking about ice cream. It's been so hot lately. And that is Sleepy Cat. Great job, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out and drawing just cats with me. I will read the fun fact. This book is full of drawing tips and fun animal facts because that's so cool. And this page on the cats page says, it's a fun fact, and it says, a bunch of cats is called a clouder. So you can just tell all your friends that you know the amazing fact about cats. This page is a clouder of cats. Mind blown. All right, guys, thanks so much. See you soon. Bye. Mozzie, how do you feel about cats? They're okay, I guess. Thank you, Mozzie.